is an ongoing journey of growth and learning shaped by everything we do and go through. But it's also made up of memories, moments we never forget, moments we replay over and over in our mind, and moments that become our why and leave a permanent stamp on who we are. My name is Victoria Evans, and one memory that positively influenced me was the Culver House, Panama study abroad experience. Going in, I was open-minded, excited, nervous, but coming out, my expectations of the culture, the experience, and my personal growth were exceeded in every way. Meeting CEOs, both male and female, in high-level leadership roles inspired me as an upcoming entrepreneur and businesswoman. They showed me that the sky isn't the limit, and that it's up to us to decide who we want to become. Outside the business side, we were so immersed in experiencing the richness of the culture was a blessing in itself. Community was a core value that everyone lived by. I felt so incredibly blessed to be able to give back, whether through our time, our smiles, or simply pouring love into the low-income kids we spent time with. Often I found myself moving at a fast pace, barely living in the moment. But in Panama, I slowed down, and it meant so much to me. Coming back to the States, something felt different. Not wrong, just changed, because I had been changed. It reminded me that life is bigger than me. Embracing this opportunity didn't just cross off a dream, it became part of my purpose.
My time with the UA in Panama Business Access Program was truly transformative. Being able to immerse myself in Panama's vibrant culture and stunning landscapes pushed me outside my comfort zone in the best way possible. I discovered a resilience and an adaptability within myself I never knew existed. This program's unique opportunities allowed me to connect with Latin American business leaders as well as the local community on a deeper level, which broadened my perspective and fostered a lifelong appreciation for different ways of life.
Roll Tide! Roll Tide!
Roll Tide!
Roll Tide!
Roll Tide!
I love you guys too. Roll Tide!
I was able to complete this program with incredible memories, newfound friendships, and valuable skills, and a profound understanding of the world. A journey that has undeniably shaped the person I am today. My name is Roman Lott, and I escaped the ordinary. Become comfortable with the uncomfortable. This is UA in Panama.